Hi, my name is Neetu
And I am Praveen.
I am a proud parent of two boys who attend HeyGuru's online tuition. To be honest, HeyGuru has helped us in so many ways. It's online, it's one-on-one tuition, and that means I don't have to drive my kids to different class anymore. Honestly, such a relief.
Classes at HeyGuru are well structured and move at the perfect pace for my children. For example, we have two kids. One is a bit fast learner, one is a bit slow. But HeyGuru just caters to their needs, individual needs. And moreover, they get regular homework, feedback, and most importantly, they are engaged. They are so that we don't have hassles of engaging them on our end. Overall, we are very happy with HeyGuru. If you're a parent like us, looking for quality learning and moreover, at your own convenience, we highly recommend HeyGuru to you. Thank you, HeyGuru team, for everything you have done for our kids. Thank you so much for that as a parent. Thank you.
Thank you.